Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to add an end screen to your YouTube video on your PC. An end screen is a great way to promote your content and engage viewers. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Step 2. Click on Content. Navigate to the Content section, where you can manage and edit your uploaded videos. Step 3. Select a video. Choose the specific video to which you want to add an end screen. Step 4. Click on Details. Once you've selected the video, click on the Details tab to access its settings and information. Step 5. On the right, click on End Screen. Look for the End Screen option on the right side of the page and click on it. Step 6. Select the element you want to add. Choose from various end screen elements, such as video or playlist promotion, subscribe button, or external link. Step 7. Click Save. After customizing your end screen, click the Save button to apply the changes to your video. By following these steps, you can easily add an end screen to your YouTube video on your PC, enhance viewer engagement, and promote your content effectively. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated. See you next time.